First, we click on the New Sim tab and then go in and name our new simulation. Next, we click on the first scene, the starting scene, and pick out a character with whom the player will interact. Next, we click on the Background tab and we choose a suitable background for our simulation. In a more complicated simulation, we can use many characters and many backgrounds, but we'll start simple here. And we can change any of these at any time. We now click on the first scene again and start entering the text we want the avatar to be saying, and then we put in a user response. We then drag the handle of the user response to the next scene, which will be connected to it. We can add multiple possible user responses, and each user response can go to its own individual subsequent scene. Using nothing more than this technique, we can start building out fairly complicated interactions. We can also link a user response to a previous node if we want to have the player go back in the simulation. This sim is about how to be a hacker, and we are giving the player plenty of different opportunities to steal different amounts of money, and we're showing the feedback for what happens after each haul. Even though this sim only has one level and is very short, most people will replay it a few times to see what happens with different actions. Let's fast forward a bit. Now I have 25 scenes altogether. At any point in the creation process, I can hit preview and see how my sim plays out at that time. You can also see, not only did I add more content, but I also added emotional states to make the sim more compelling.